tuna fritters. So lovelies, I woke this morning and I felt for something different to eat, but I can't pick up what exactly I wanted. So what I did was went straight into the kitchen, and the first thing I grabbed was 2 cups of flour and also a tin of tuna. Mark it guys, at this point I still didn't know what I'm going to make, nor do I know what I'm going to eat. All of a sudden something says to me, tuna fritters, and I was like, tuna fritters? Like tuna fritters? Strange. But guys, this is like the best thing I've ever made. So these are all the ingredients that I used to make my tuna fritters, and all I did guys was to mix all these into a bowl, and then I add it into the refrigerator for about 5 minutes to chill. Then I add some olive oil to my pot, leave it there to heat. Then I add my fritters to my pot until both sides are golden brown. Lovelies, there you have this delicious tuna fritters.
Yummy yum.
That is crispy on the outside, soft, chewy, and so delicious on the inside. Thank you so much for watching guys. I did enjoy my fritters, and be sure to try this because guys, me know say I will enjoy this. Me know for a fact that this fritters guys, this tuna fritters that I made, you are definitely going to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe.